Okay, so in this clip, I'm going to show you basic song structure, how to put together a song and counting measures, and just how all these MIDI tracks and the instrument tracks work together and how it works with the hardware I have connected to it, the drum machine and the keyboard. Okay, working with Reason, you can just select whatever one you wanted to use, whatever sound. So the Thor, for instance, we're on Thor 1, and you click right here to select the patch if you wanted a different sound. And then your favorites list, you can make a new favorites list and you just drag whatever sound you like in there to make things easier. Okay, so I have it set to grid mode. So grid mode right here, and then the resolution I keep at 16th notes. That way you can snap it to grid, like any MIDI information, you can bring it to the nearest 16th note. I keep the quantize off when I'm recording. So this is just a basic kick pattern right here. And then, so you can see right where I started, you can just click and drag that. It says it's off, like I just totally did it off, but it's alright. I quantize it, even though you snap it to grid and it's like supposed to be like, you know, exactly that's where it is. I quantize it to 16th notes anyways because it sounds like it pulls it together more tighter with the quantize on. So, and then for something like this, like when you make a selection and you want to, say you want to select a certain amount of bars, cut and paste or do something with this track. So anything, like whatever track that you want to select right here is like, you know, you can click on it right here, or you can click in this area. So if you want to make a selection on a track, you just, you select the track of whatever you're on, you just click to wherever you want to start, and then up here in length, you punch in, like for this, like a kick drum like this, it just keeps repeating. I can just even go 1 bar and it will select that right there. And then I want to repeat that. Say I want, because I want to do like an 8-bar loop. So we just Command D. And then you can see right now, so length 8 bars, we have that 8-bar loop right there. One thing that I do, like when I make a verse, the verse is like 16 bars. So a thing that I always do is, or not always, but usually halfway through the verse on the 9th measure, since it's 16 bars long, on the 9th measure is like a mid verse. And then that's when I come in with like, I try to bring something interesting to make, you know, make it sound more interesting. So like when if the MC is rapping and then, you know, right there at the mid verse, it gets, you know, it doesn't get boring. The beat doesn't get boring. So then, you know, like I put in, the jam it, the beat, and then that keyboard melody, those come in the mid verse on both verse 1 and verse 2. And then I use that time stretch like I showed you in the other video that I posted. So these samples match up to the tempo of 100 BPM. And going over measures or bars, which are the same thing, I'm going to count out 4 measures just so you can hear and get the idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. So you can see all the markers that I use throughout the song, which all these right here are very helpful when you want to just get right to the place that you need to go to. Now I'll play the song and let you guys know where we are, like what part of the song we are, so you can go follow along in the notes right here to get the idea of the song structure. Intro. First one. chorus too. Bridge.
Damn, that shit was dope. Damn, that shit was dope. Damn, that shit was dope. Damn, that shit was dope.
Chorus 3. Okay, so there you have it. You could either fade out the song towards the end. You can just pull the master fader down, or you can just let it stop, all at once. But either way, there you have it. Hope that you guys got something from this. Hope that it helped you out, structuring songs, or if any of these tutorials helped you in any way create music or made it easier or inspired you in some way, then I'm glad, and then it's all worth it to me, for doing all this if it helped anybody out. So hope you guys like it. Thank you.